What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we had a little bit of mishap with some of the footage that we filmed for this video. As I was transferring it over from the camera to the phone, some files got corrupted. Long story short, I had to come down here and film this as I was editing the video. So, lost a good portion of the footage of us pulling the motor out, which isn't that big of a deal, actually. In and out a couple more times, I think, in this video, and may not even get it on film. But it's pretty simple since the radiator support's now doing its job. So, and the ability to remove it actually is a good portion of why we built it that way. But no, we pulled the engine out to make some more room. Turns out loads more room, absolutely loads more room. Anyway, we tidy all that stuff up, and I'll leave you now with where we begin with footage. Alright guys, so as you've seen there, we massaged a little bit of the frame rails so that we could have just a little bit more room. We definitely didn't need to do it. The headers and everything from the kit will clear, I have hope. But now that we have all this extra room, I'm kind of give you a little bit of rundown of what we did. As you can kind of see in some of the previous clips there, we heated this up right through here and bent this in. Inside of here are pinch welds, like you can see right there. There's a good one right there. And I didn't want to cut those off because then, you know, there's nothing smashed together for this frame right here at all. So went ahead and did that. Now, I wanted to also make a little bit more clearance back here in this area here. Not going to use this stuff here yet, but down here I wanted to make some more clearance room for the coolant temp sensor and number 8 header primary to kind of go down that direction. So got that massaged out, and then here we did the exact same thing. Kind of went off that my buddy's idea on this side, and we did it to this side. The only thing is this here needs to be welded, and I'll take care of that in a little bit. I got to run and get some more fuel for my welder, more argon. Anyway, I plan on getting that done and getting this all cleaned up in here. As you can see, there's grindings and stuff like that just laying around. I want to get it cleaned up because I want to rattle can it back to black and then slide the engine back in. There'll be plenty of room now to put the headers on with the engine in, so I can get all that stuff done and move forward, because I'm really trying to get this thing started really soon. So just tidying up a few things, trying to progress forward after this stuff, maybe today or tonight, I'm not sure, or tomorrow. Sometimes when I'll be wearing a different shirt probably, I'll be doing the oil lines and the fuel lines. Probably gonna give a few clips about that, but not a lot. That's gonna be a lot of boring stuff, but anyway, so I'm gonna move on with this stuff, and I'll check you guys on the opposite side. I'll see you in a few. Alright, so guys, there's more of those fantastic welding skills covered up by better grinding skills. But anyway, got that all finished up. Looking pretty decent over through here and over in here. And I probably gained, I would say, every bit of 1.5 inches here. All the way down through here would be about 1 inch. Same with this side. And maybe even 1.5 inches over here as well. So it's just really opened it up, and I think you'll see more of that once I put the engine back in it. But anyway, now I'm gonna roll this thing pretty much as far as outside as I can get it, and throw a lower layer of paint on it, get this all cleaned up in here, then throw a layer of paint on it, and slide the engine back in. So probably missed, I think I missed the part where we pulled it out, but it goes in and out really simple. So anyway, you guys just hang out. I'm probably not going to record the painting and cleaning part, but we'll move on past through all that and get to sliding the engine back in. Alright guys, so I got the engine bay all cleaned up, and I went ahead and threw on a layer of paint on over what we beat and hammered in. So right now it's time to get the engine back in, hopefully, oh my god, hopefully for the final time, and get things plugged in.